What's up, peeps? Let's get into some cryptocurrency news. For starters, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just to help with research.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely. You came to the right place. Cause over here, you know what we do? We get this crypto money. We make these gains. A little sideways action, boringness in the crypto market, that's not gonna scare us off because we know ultimately we will make a return on our investment. And right now, this is the time where wealth is built. All right. It doesn't matter if we go sideways for the next few months, the next year. Long term, we know things will pick back up and we are going to make these gains. Everything's at a discount. So we are going to buy. Guys, today is January 5th, and the coin that we will talk about is a coin called Faraland. Now, right here is a coin market cap definition of Faraland. Faraland is a play-to-earn multiplayer game based on the Binance Smart Chain (BSC). The turn-based role-playing game RPG allows players to own NFT warriors and equip them with unique weapons, armor, and pets. The Faraland universe is inhabited by many races who are waiting for their finest hour. Users can participate in battles and collect digital items with real world value that have been created using blockchain technology. Collectible items are distinguished by their authenticity, incomparability, and rarity. While developing Faraland, the developer team focused on creating a unique NFT gaming experience with animation and 1,000 types of equipment. They present users with exciting gameplay, fundamentals, and mechanics while emphasizing a captivating storyline. Now, guys, NFT gaming, that is a knockout combo. We have seen the performance of NFT, we have seen the performance of gaming throughout 2021. Some projects that have done so well that you may have heard of. Now, I'm not saying this is the next project that's going to be like them, but this project right here has some potential behind it. Look, when you think about gaming, you think about Decentraland, Axie Infinity, the Sandbox, you have Gala, NG Coin, all these other coins. These are, when you come to CoinMarketCap, under the gaming tokens category, especially Axie Infinity. This one changed a lot of people's lives. Guys, when you have time, look into where the price of Axie Infinity was in 2020 compared to where it reached in 2021. Man, if I were you right now, I would be accumulating for the future. I wouldn't be scared off by these dips, these sideways actions. Looking at the performance of not just Axie Infinity, but a lot of these gaming projects throughout 2021 compared to 2020, boy, girl, something's wrong with you if you're not accumulating right now for the future, right? Now, looking at the price of Faraland, it is currently at $1.28. It's been up 11.80% in the past 24 hours. It is currently ranked at 779 on CoinMarketCap. It is on 1.45 million people's watch list. A lot of people have eyes on this project. Volume is currently at 1.5 million, and circulating supply is at 19.9 million. It's very low. And most importantly, this is all verified data. So as you can see, this project was basically launched back over the summer. Basically became publicly available around June 13, 2021. Price skyrocketed. Went up. It had its little dips, but it was going up until you know what happened. I don't know what happened to Santa. I think he got lost. The Santa rally didn't happen. Everything just dropped. The entire crypto space, Bitcoin, everything just plummeted. This was around the time it happened, and it impacted a lot of altcoins. But guys, as you see from the past performance of this project, in crypto, projects that have done tremendously well in the past, when we have a little bear action for whatever, a few weeks, a few months, they tend to pick back up and start doing good again. So right now, price is at a good discount. Its all-time high was actually back on July 28th, 2021, 5 months ago, at $5.95. And another thing is that it's audit certified. Now, when you look at the exchanges that it's on, it is on PancakeSwap, LBank. You have XT, ZT, and all these other exchanges that it's currently on. So this is a fairly new project that is growing. But guys, that is how you make the gains in crypto. You want to buy when things are low, when people are scared of the market. You also want to buy when projects, as long as you do your due diligence, do your research when they're fairly new. That is how you make the gains. You don't wait till projects get listed on big exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase. By that time, the projects are going to have already taken off and prices are going to be way high. So far, things look good about this project. And right here is their Twitter page. So this is their Twitter page. Always check out the social media of whatever project that you're investing in, because social media is where you find out the latest updates. You want to make sure that you're investing in a project that has an active team, especially new projects like this. You want to make sure you have an active team. You find out the latest development news. You find new exchange listings, and etc. So check out the Twitter page, the Reddit, Telegram, Discord, Google the projects, Google the founders. So as you can see, all these tweets are fairly recent. So the project, the team behind it, is active on Twitter, which is another good sign. Right here is actually a video of the demo of the gameplay. I will play it for you. I muted the audio just in case if there's copyright issues. I will put a link to it. You guys can actually check it out for yourself. But this is the gameplay. So that was the gameplay demo, and they also have a YouTube page right here that you guys can check out. You can see more videos of the gameplay of, they have a recap of 2021, and you find out more information about this project. Now this is their website. As soon as you come, it's very simple to understand. As soon as you come to the website, you can already tell it's a crypto project that is about gaming. So you have a play now button where you can actually test out. So download and sign up instructions. So you have Android and iOS. The game is now ready. So you guys, so when you click, for example, when you click on the Android, they will take you to registration instructions. These are the instructions, and you can download the APK to test out the game yourself. And this is pretty much the same thing for iPhone users. The iOS version you can download. And guys, they have an actual product. It might not be 100% complete, but a lot of crypto projects are just giving you a white paper and false promisings, and we don't know if they're going to deliver or not. But this one, they are making headlines, they are making headways, they are making progress. So that is always a good sign whenever you're investing in a crypto project. Now this is more about their website. So if you click on equipment, you can see the total items that were sold. 203,570 items were sold. Total volume, highest price that were sold. I'm not sure how much that would be worth. 13,000 of FARA coins. But so these are some of the equipments. So guys, there's a lot of people that are playing this game. There are a lot of people that love this project. And guys, it's not financial advice, but you're still at this early stages. If you're interested in this project, it has a lot more room to grow. And also they have staking. So if you click on staking, this is the page is going to take you to. Now when you look at the BSC scan, it is currently on 28,640 addresses. These are current hodlers, wallets that currently have this project. Yes, some of them are exchanges, but these are the current people that have it. And one thing about BSC type of projects, the gas fees, if you're using, as you can see, when you go to exchanges, PancakeSwap, the gas fees for BSC is way cheaper than Ethereum. I don't know if you ever tried to switch a project, convert your Ethereum to whatever token. The gas fees are ridiculously high. So BSC is a life changer. They are a lifesaver. The gas fees are way lower. Now, this is the Reddit page. So as you can see, the Reddit page has over 1.1 thousand members. It's a growing community, but that is a good amount of members for a project that is fairly new and that is growing. It hasn't reached its maximum potential yet. It has a lot more room to grow. Always check out the Reddit page because that is a community. The hodlers, they buy the dips, they spread the word. You find out latest developments, and most importantly, as they spread word about the project, that contributes to volume increasing. And when volume goes higher, prices go higher. It attracts attention of other exchanges. It attracts attention of more investors. And guys, that is how the gains are made. So as you can see, there's the Reddit page, fairly active. Small community, but fairly active. Now, the project was actually created by Moonknight Labs. So this is the website for Moonknight Labs. So currently their only portfolio is Faraland, and this is the LinkedIn page for Moonknight Labs. So as you can see, they are located in Panama City, Panama. They currently have 13 employees on LinkedIn that have them listed as their current employer. They're founded in September of 2020. We are a group of senior developers, artists, organizers with more than 10 years experience in many areas and have been working on blockchain for more than 5 years. So the fact that they have a LinkedIn page, you can see the employees. Guys, this is a legit project, all right? So you don't have to worry about rug pulls. Now, we don't know what the future has in store, but we don't have to worry about a rug pull. It's a legit project. So this is the LinkedIn profiles for some of their employees. And this is the co-founder at Moonknight Labs. Right here is the LinkedIn page for the CEO of Moonknight Labs. So as you can see, he's the co-founder and CEO. This is his background. As you can see, a lot of development background. This is where he graduated from. His degree is in computer software engineering. Right here is an article that I found. I'm not going to go through it, but it was actually an AMA that they had about Faraland. So Alfred, the co-founder, he had an AMA answering just more details about this project. I'll put a link to it. Don't want to make this video too long. You guys can actually read it. It's always cool to check out the AMA so you find out more details about who is behind this project. You find out more personal information about them and also more details about the project itself. So I'll put a link to the AMA. Right here is his Twitter page. So as you can see, CEO of Moonknight Labs, CEO of Faraland. So overall, he's not overly active on Twitter, but this is his Twitter page. I will put a link to it. So as you can see, his last tweet was actually back in November 25th. So let's do some technical analysis. The purple lines are level, support, and resistance, and the yellow line is trend line. So guys, the project was picking up a lot of steam over the summer. It bounced down, went up, down, up. It broke the level of support around September. There's FUD in the market too that caused the price to go down too, because Bitcoin was dipping. Even the stock market was having a bad month in September. things started rallying up when momentum started coming back into Bitcoin. It found a level of support moving sideways all throughout October and November. But what happened? We know that beginning of December, I don't know what happened to Santa. If he got lost, if he got kidnapped, Santa disappeared, and Bitcoin crashed, which ultimately caused the prices of a lot of crypto projects and altcoins to crash too. So price dipped down, broke these levels of support, went down. Currently, it's looking like it's found a level of support right here, down here. As you can see from the past couple of days, it's been moving sideways. So who knows when momentum will come back into the market? Who knows when more people, retail investors, are going to get interested in crypto? But right now, that is where wealth is made. Guys, you can see the previous performance of this project. This project has done tremendously well, and it's a legit project. I showed you the employees. So this is one of those projects that if you're interested in, not financial advice, but you would accumulate for the long term, buy a little every paycheck that you get. Because this one right here, let me show you something real quick. The market cap is currently at 25.5 million. Guys, that means that this project has a lot of room to grow. It's a small market cap. So if things continue to go as you've been going, momentum comes back into the market. And look at the volume. Even though the price has been down, look at how much people are interested, have it on their watch list, the volume. I showed you how much equipment they sold. Let's say things continue to go good. They get listed on more exchanges. A $500 million market cap is very realistic. $1 billion market cap is very realistic. If it were to reach a $500 million market cap, that would be around 19x from here. With a $100 investment, that would be 1,960. With a $1 billion market cap, which is very possible for this project, that would be essentially around 39x from here. With a $100 investment, looking at 3,921. Now, I'm not saying it's going to hit those prices. I'm not going to say that it's going to hit those $1 billion in market cap, but it is possible. Never say never. Aaron, $1 billion market cap is not out of the world. It's not unrealistic for this project. Looking at the current market cap, where it shrank, the interest in this project, its circulating supply is very, very low. So with a 39x, that would put price around, it's not exact, but like around $49. We've seen the performance of Decentraland Axie Infinity and all these gaming projects throughout 2021. And this one, small market cap, small circulating supply, high volume. It's on a lot of people's watch list. It's ranked fairly good for a project that I'm sure a lot of you guys have not heard of it. It's not talked about a lot, but it's ranked fairly good. This project has some strong potential for the long term, and we know it's combining NFTs and gaming. That is a knockout combo. NFT space is here to stay for years to come. Gaming will continue to grow for years to come. Gaming is a $1 billion industry. Guys, not financial advice. Only invest what you're willing to lose. But this project looks like it has some strong potential behind it. And it's one of those projects I recommend that you guys look into. And with that being said, I am out.